Weigh 2 grams of honey sample into a sample tube. Dissolve in 18 milliliters of distilled water. Dissolved solution is the sample mother liquor. Transfer 2 milliliters of sample mother liquor into a new sample tube. Add 8 milliliters of distilled water. Mix well to obtain the sample processing solution. Take 0.2 milliliters of distilled water into a test tube. Take 0.2 milliliters of sample processing solution and transfer it to another test tube. Add 200 microliters of detection solution A to 2 separate test tubes. Shake and mix well. Raise the temperature of the water bath to 100 degrees Celsius. Place 2 test tubes in a 100-degree water bath for 5 minutes. Remove the test tube and cool it to room temperature. Add 500 microliters of B detection solution to 2 test tubes respectively. Shake and mix well. Put the 2 test tubes into the water bath again for 8 minutes. Remove and cool to room temperature. Add 1 ml of distilled water to each of the 2 test tubes and mix well. Click on Quality Inspection. Choose cane sugar. Select sample name. Click to detect. Read the test results.